Hello guys, this is Ivan and it is here, at least Saturday and near the midnight, 11 p.m. So I just want to show you that even on weekend Saturdays you can trade. We have, you see, few live trades here with cryptos, and these trades before are from Friday, but market is closed, so it is now you cannot see any movement because markets are closed. Only you see cryptos can be traded, and this is MS16 trader, automated version of my strategy number 16. It is fantastic. Also, I think that we have one live trade with V24 plus. Do we have here Ethereum? I'm not sure. Yes, we have. So this is V20 plus trader. I put many cryptos here, and on a weekly basis we have a trade with Ethereum. So with all my systems you can trade all the time, even weekends, with cryptos. Also in this situation, this time I want to inform you that still 24 hours, so more today, because today is almost ended, you have a promo, special promo. If you are my subscriber, guys, you got it already yesterday to your email like this. So I will just remind you. You see, it is valid until 4th of August. So you can choose any of my expert advisors at 50% discount. So 50%. And that's not all. You take with it any indicator free from my webpage. So for example, I put one example. You get V24 plus trader at a half of price. This is only half of price is 139, and you choose any indicator, maybe this one, FX Turbo Circle, but any you like from my web page, and you get it for free. For example, I put here Turbo Plus V4, which is 199. So both 139. So any extra advisor 50%, and then you can choose any indicator for free. This is the promo valid still. So you pay half of EA and get free indicator. So you can choose also, if you don't have it, V20 plus, maybe you can choose MS16 trader or any other EA, and we have many EAs on our web, many indicators. You see, this is indicators only here, but you go to home, let's say, to here you will find latest products. My new strategy, it is now 199. Yes, this is not valid anymore. Forget about this. Thanks to all of you which bought it, because very soon you will get new extra advisor MS20. So it will be new automated version trader of this strategy. And believe me, this is the best strategy until now. And if you have bought it for 99, then you are qualified for new expert advisor free. All others, guys, should pay price like it is for MS16. 297 will be new MS20 trader when it comes, of course. It will come, I'm not sure when. I said in 2 weeks or so, maybe in 1 week, maybe in 10 days. I still haven't started to work on it. I need several days minimum to do everything, to check it, to test it, even 7 days. But thanks all of you which use it, you made a good move, because only for 99 you already got this strategy, and you will get for free new MS20 trader. All others, if you would like from yesterday, my new strategy is 199, and MS20 trader will be 297. So you will have to pay almost $500 for both, and you could have it only for 99. Many of you use it, thank you. All other, no any discount for this. Never. I don't like to get discounts on my new strategies. This is my knowledge. You could learn only for 99 how to trade, make money every day. You could get templates and training video, everything set up. Just take few hours, learn, test it, practice it, and then go live, make money. And you would trade like a pro. Because I have fantastic feedback for all the people which have bought not only this strategy, but some of my strategies. 90% people have a fantastic results. So guys, also I'm at the end, I don't like to talk about it too much. In my previous video, not from yesterday, from 2 days ago, night talks and things, due to my obligations to family, and due that this business, running this page and doing everything, took a lot of time, at least 12 hours per day, and I am alone. I explained, I will not explain again in the video a few days ago. If anybody would like to run this business, to invest, to work with everything set up, this is a good business. I make my living with this already more than 10 years, so you can do also. If you are interested to take over this business in some way, just send me email, I will give you details. So shortly you will get my webpage, my YouTube channel, all my indicator strategies, expert advisors, all my customers, previous and future. So in my opinion, it is fantastic job for anyone which have time to run it. And of course, I know that if you are beginner, you cannot do it. But if you are already little bit or more experienced trader, at least 1, 2, 3 years here, you can do it. I will help. This is the situation now. Maybe I will change my mind, as I said, in few weeks or few months, I don't know. Maybe I'll find some partner or some help here in my country to work, I don't know, at least 6-8 hours per day. Then maybe it is a different situation. We'll see. But for now, this is possibility for all of you. If you like it, if you want it, contact me. I will explain more detailedly. So guys, have a nice day or night, because here is almost midnight. See you next time. Bye bye.